Wow, what a blast to play these killer Tagima guitars. This is a 640 in surf green. Ooh, speaking of colors, surf green and blue. Okay, so this is surf green, and this is a blue. This is, I mean, those two, right? Subtle difference. I think when you see them side by side, you see it's more blue, and this is more surf green. But 640, they're both 640 models, and the 640s come in a variety of colors and different types of necks, as far as rosewood versus the maple. And they're both roasted maple. It's just a matter of if the fretboard's going to be the rosewood or the roasted maple front too. So they're both fantastic, killer bodies, colors. They come. I've got it in Fiesta red and shell pink also, which is very popular, you know, with all players. And Tagima has just got such a variety of guitars, and they're all a joy to play. I love the 640s. That's what this one is. But I love all their guitars. They do LP style guitars like the Almac, and then there's also the Murag, and then there's the 6 marks, the single cutaway, it's LP style. And they've got a lot of very unique guitars. Special thanks to Tagima and my friends there, Joe and Steve, and Ned. I really appreciate everything Tagima does.